let me lay something on you that you might not know. Your credit score, that elusive number that seems to hover over every financial decision you make, is pretty much controlled by your habits. Think of it like a trusty old car. It needs to be taken care of, and if it's neglected, well, things can go downhill really fast. Before I start digging into how your habits impact your credit, I have to make the legal folks happy. So, I am Kevin Martini, and I am a certified mortgage advisor and producing branch manager, NMLS 143962, with the Martini Mortgage Group at Gold Star Mortgage Financial Group Corporation, NMLS 3446, Equal Housing Lender. The primary purpose of this podcast series is to inform, entertain, and educate. The information, opinions, and recommendations presented in this podcast series does not constitute legal or other professional advice, opinions, or endorsements of any kind. Woo! With that said, let me get back to the trusty old car analogy I started with. I want you to imagine that 35% of that rusty old car's performance depends solely on your timeliness. That's right. Paying your debts on time and in full is like changing the oil regularly and filling the tank of gas with premium. But here's the kicker. Late payments, charge-offs, collection accounts, judgments, even bankruptcies. These are flat tires and rusty engines of the credit world. They will drag you down and leave you stranded on the financial highway. Had a bankruptcy in the last 7 years? That's a major hiccup in your ability to borrow or even establish new credit accounts. And those judgments, pay them off like you're investing in a new set of high-quality tires. You need to get a satisfaction of judgment from the court, or else it's going to gnaw at your credit score like termites on wood. And don't even get me started on mortgage lates. They are the big kahuna weighing heavily by scoring systems, almost like the transmission of that trusty old car. Ever had a single late payment within the last 12 months? It could jam your gears or set you back big time on interest rates and loan terms. Other debts like car payments, credit cards, are like headlights and brake pads. Still essential, but a tad less crucial. Here's the lowdown on how the credit bigwigs evaluate you. Late payments and how late they were, defaults, and whether the late payments were like hitting every red light in town, in other words, consecutive. A couple of minor blips won't throw you off track. But to really shine, you need to keep it clean and cruise above that critical 700 level. Here's the punchline. Know that your timely payment history has a 35% impact on your credit score. Take care of your credit like you would your car, and you'll find yourself cruising down the financial highway with the top down and the wind in your hair. Life is too short to be stuck in the garage, especially when it comes to the money that fuels our dreams. Again, my name is Kevin Martini, and I am a certified mortgage advisor, and my passion is to help folks like you build generational wealth and secure a future filled with prosperity. If you're tired of feeling like you're spinning wheels in the world of real estate, If you're hungry for a plan that aligns with your personal circumstances and the ever-changing market conditions, I offer more than just mortgages to individuals and families I serve. I offer a roadmap to create generational wealth with the proper mortgage strategy. So why don't you join me? Let's embark on this road trip together. You can reach me personally by dialing 919-238-4934. Thank you for tuning in to this micro episode of the Martini Mortgage Podcast, episode 187. And please share this episode with someone you care about that may benefit. Until next time, I'm wishing you peace and blessings.